Setting up Medit Link integration in Dentrix. If you are using Dentrix, Schein's flagship PMS, you can achieve more convenient and integrated patient information management by integrating with Medit Link. To enable integrated use of Dentrix and Medit Link, both software applications must be installed on the same PC. If you intend to use multiple PCs, both software programs need to be installed on each PC you wish to use. If the software is already installed, please update it to the latest version. For an integrated environment between the two software applications, Medit Link version 3.1.4 and Dentrix G7.3, or the latest versions of both, are required. Dentrix Smart Image version 31.0 is also required. Let's begin the integration of Dentrix and Medit Link. To proceed with the integration, you will need the installer file, Dentrix Smart Image Medit Connector Setup.exe. This file is typically located in the Dentrix folder on the C drive. For the exact location, please refer to the URL below. Run the installer file. When the installer file is launched, the Medit Connector welcome screen will appear. It is recommended to close all applications before proceeding with the setup. Click the Next button to continue. Specify the folder where the Medit connector will be installed. Click the Install button. When the installation is complete, click Next. The installation is complete. Now, I will show you how the Medit connector works on the installed PC. In the Dentrix launcher, open the Dentrix patient chart. Select a patient. In the toolbar, click Acquire 2D 3D or CAD/CAM image. On the left side of the Smart Image Acquisition window, choose CAD/CAM in the preset options. Select Medit as the imaging software option and click Acquire Now. This opens Medit Link, which bridges the patient information and automatically creates a case for the patient in Medit Link. Now, Dentrix and Medit Link data can be managed using the same patient ID. Experience integration with a broad range of applications through Medit Link.